Hi guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my 100% free hosting review. 100% free hosting. Free hosting and a very cheap domain at that. The cheapest you can get in town. Quite a product, quite a launch, quite a training course from Steve Mellor. It is going live today on the 10th of November, 10 a.m. New York time. Guys, you will find my free report/review down below in the description box, so go through it. I do have some bonuses for you as well, which are not mentioned in my free report. Here are my bonuses. I'll talk about them a bit later, okay? I know why I thought they would complement this product nicely and add extra value. It's not that this product needs to be complemented, trust me. This is the sales page. And through my free report, if you click through any of the hyperlinked, the 100% free hosting, or at the end, take a look at what you will get and why it's smart. Then you will be redirected to my affiliate link. If you buy from me, you get my bonuses, all of that, and my gratitude, most importantly. Okay, guys, so here is the members area of free hosting. So let me just maybe play the welcome video from Steve, because I always admire his how he delivers. Okay, he's a proper pro. So check it out, listen to him. Toolbox.
Hello there and welcome to 100% free hosting. Now, I made this course for a reason. I started doing web design quite a long time ago, and I've seen it change dramatically over the last 20 odd years.
Yeah.
And part of that change has been led by things like WordPress. So, the ability to create a website that's a CMS thing, that was a real game changer at the time. And it's incredible how WordPress has become one of the driving forces of building the
All right, and so on and so forth. Well, he explains why he came up with this idea of creating a course that will show you how to build in a very easy way. It's not just hosting, because as Steve says, in one of the videos, he says he was fully aware that providing you with the free method of hosting your pages would not really be enough. That's why I said this is a complete course, complete method, because you will get your website built from scratch and host it, get the domain in the cheapest way possible. So the only thing you need to pay for, the smallest rate possible, is the domain. Okay, so you're not paying for the hosting, you're not paying for the page builder. There would be some caveats to that. I'll discuss that, and so that Steve elaborate on how to actually. Okay, I'll get back to that when I reveal what page builder he recommends. But yeah, guys, amazing value. As you can see, you have quite a few modules. So I open up all of these modules so you will see what kind of content you will have, okay, inside. And so right below the introduction video, there is this button that says download the guide. And here is the guide. The guide leads you through the method from A to Z. It's nice to have it in a written format as well, something you can refer back to, go back to as often as you want without having to rewatch the videos. Okay, so it's really beautiful, and yeah, you have it all covered. As you can see, it's a stunning PDF. Okay. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. So let's open up the module 1, and under module 1 you will have 2 videos. In the first video, Steve talks about why not WordPress and your secret weapon. So yeah, the secret weapon, which I'll talk about in a sec. So why not WordPress? Well, for a plain reason that WordPress may be quite complicated, quite a beast, especially for newbies. And there are so many parts that, that come together, the theme, the plugins. One plugin can affect how the other one runs. Okay. So WordPress, yes, is free as is, but there will be some plugins you may need to pay for. it's quite a beast, okay? Let's not get into what WordPress is all about. Steve explains that beautifully, and that's why he came up with this idea and created this course. And now he's moving over most of his sites to this hosting. And now, which hosting are we talking about? The secret weapon. So let's reveal the secret weapon, you know, guys, how I like to be transparent and just help you make an educated decision before you purchase the product. So before purchasing the product, you know exactly what to expect, okay? So here is the one, Cloudflare. So, you know, you would be hosting your websites on Cloudflare. And now let me be crystal clear. This is not for dynamic sites. This is not for blogging, you know, reviews. No. This is something different. It's for static sites. So an example of static sites would be opt-in pages, landing pages, bonus page, right? You could use it for building your sales pages, for the whole funnel, for that sake. So that's a perfect solution for that. I'm sure you have a bunch of sites that you host somewhere and you pay for the hosting, right? So here you can do it for free. You can transfer them over to Cloudflare as well. And I would say Cloudflare is kind of comparable to Netlify. I have quite a few pages hosted on Netlify, which is also a free, ultra fast hosting. So is Cloudflare. And it is a trusted source of hosting. The whole internet, really. I mean, most of what we find on internet, trust Cloudflare, uses the hosting as well. And something amazing that is also possible is buying the domain directly from Cloudflare. And if you do so, you avoid the middleman. So if you've been buying your domains from platforms like GoDaddy or Namecheap, which are okay, especially Namecheap, okay, I've been using them, but, you know, I think I'll switch to Cloudflare from now on, since I am aware of it. They take the margin, okay, so you can avoid those additional costs if you buy your domain directly from Cloudflare. So your domain that you can buy in the cheapest way possible, and your free hosting, free forever. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that was module 1. Now let's move on to module 2. And in this one, we have quite a bit. So the big picture, mastering the core elements, structuring your pages. Okay, the big picture is, as I was saying, and as Steve was saying, that he realized, you see, Nicepage, this is your page builder, a free one at that. And I did say there are nuances and caveats to that. Okay. As Steve was saying also, that he realized that providing you with a method of hosting your pages for free would not be enough because most people would be stuck at the point of building the page. They don't know, okay, how do I actually build the page? So this is what this module is all about, building your page with Nicepage. And this is your free page builder, guys. Here is, okay, I pulled up the prices for you. With the free version of it, you can do tons. And even if you wanted to upgrade, you know, compared to ClickFunnels, or if you use WordPress with all of that WordPress will ultimately come with that you pay for, this is cheap. But again, Steve covers the free feature, and all can be done with the free feature. You can have a fully functioning, beautiful website with the starter pack from Nicepage alone. So with this page builder, you can, with the free version, you can build 2 websites. You can build 2 5-page websites. They don't have to be 5-page websites. They can be 1-page websites. But what I'm saying, this is what's possible. But you know what? Steve also goes truly beyond his Call of Duty, and he actually shows you how to, because you can export the HTML, okay, from this page builder. And of course, you have tons of tutorials. And now these tutorials are actually from Nicepage, because no one can show you how to use the platform than the owners, the creators of that platform. So what Steve has done, he's gone through tons of tutorials from them and picked the ones he thought you would need, to create your website step by step. So you have all of the how to structure your page. So you will have all of the, you see, lessons here, and then finalizing your design. So there will be a few videos from Nicepage that Steve handpicked okay, because they are the most useful one. Now, in this basic SEO checklist, it is actually Steve showing you what you need to do. This is by Steve. How to go to Nicepage and how to do the basic SEO. Okay, so your page is discovered. And with the Cloudflare hosting, your pages will load with the speed of light. Okay, they will be ultra fast, which is super important, as we know. So why not use Nicepage hosting? You see, this is the thing. With the paid price plan of Nicepage, they will offer you hosting, but Steve says don't do it because you will get the hosting directly from Cloudflare. And this is what the course is all about. It's about, okay, getting the hosting for free. So no, you don't sign up for the hosting from Nicepage. And then because you can export the HTML from Nicepage, this is amazing, because this way you can export that HTML and then you will pop it onto Cloudflare for the hosting. You upload it onto Cloudflare where your websites will be ultimately hosted. And then you can delete that project from Nicepage, and that sort of frees up the space for creating another website that you would be then moving on to and creating, like currently creating. Do you know what I mean? So you can really keep using the free account indefinitely, as long as you keep it organized. You know, you export it, you pop it onto Cloudflare so it is hosted, and this way you can go around not having to pay, not having to upgrade, you know, your Nicepage account, your page builder ever. You don't have to, because it's very affordable as well, as I told you, as I showed you the prices. But if you want to keep it free, you can, and Steve shows you how to do it. You just have to remember to delete your project after you've exported the HTML, you know, of your website. Hacking the pages is about removing the footer. Okay, so the watermark, because Nicepage, the free account of Nicepage comes with the watermark, but Steve shows you a way. Here's this deploy kit, and you know, a true website master knows how to remove this little piece of code from the footer to remove the watermark. So he created this kit here for you to do it, and you can remove this Nicepage watermark using both Windows and Mac with this deploy kit, which is great. If you were to use Nicepage for building your funnel, for building your sales pages, and then you wanted to sell it on platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank, they would not allow the watermark. Okay, so if you want to continue using the free account of Nicepage, you need to remove the watermark, but now you can, because Steve provides you with this deploy kit. You know, ingenious stuff, really. Right, let's move on. Now, module number 3 is the exciting part. It's all about the Cloudflare. So creating your free Cloudflare account. Why buy a domain on Cloudflare? Because it is, you know, it's makes most sense. You're using it for hosting and for your domain, and it is the cheapest way of buying domain, as I already explained. No middle man in between. Okay, how to purchase your domain. What if you already have a domain, how to connect that with your Cloudflare, getting your site hosted, and how to customize your domain as well. So, you know, so you replace the Cloudflare address of your website to your custom domain. It's done with a few clicks. Right, and then module 4 is about, this is a very good one. It's about how to create your free professional email address, not just for forwarding your email to your Hotmail or whatever, you know, in such a way that your business domain would be forwarded to your personal domain. No, it's rather about creating the whole inbox, like a separate inbox, and using the Zoho Mail. You can do it for free. For lifetime. Okay, you can keep it free for the rest of your life, you know, lifetime. And the integration with Cloudflare is so seamless as well, so it works just beautifully with this method. Again, guys, you will be creating your free professional email address using Zoho Mail, and you can install the app, you know, so you can access the email, your inbox from your phone, or very easily done this way. Right. Module 3 is about updating your website and some troubleshooting. So Steve goes through that as well. So that's that, guys. Okay, this is the whole content of this training course. And you know what's crazy? That the price of the front end is only $9 during the launch. So here I have the launch snapshot. So during the launch, which is Monday today, 10 a.m. New York time, so the 10th of November, this course is on a dime sale, starting from $9 essentially, and rising to around $10 during launch, 7 days launch. And after the launch is over, the price will jump to around $13. So, you know, it will go up by $4. Still like crazy affordable. So whenever you buy it, you'll, you know, get yourself a deal of your life. Such a beautiful course, so complete, so genuine, and Steve delivers in a stunning way. I love listening to him. He's got a beautiful way of getting his point across. He's a very good speaker. I truly admire this guy. He's so friendly as well. I mean, I am well connected with Steve, so you're in good hands. I've reviewed quite a few products from Steve, and each time he just continues to surprise me and amaze me with the quality and the magnificence of his training courses, of how he delivers his training courses. Quite an art in itself. Trust me. And you will find a few upsells, guys, and most of them would be his previous launches, sort of like, he calls them mini courses, but there is nothing about mini courses. Maybe the way he delivers, there's quite a bunch of videos, right? But each individual video is not longer than 2, 5, maybe maximum 10 minutes long, okay? So very, very concise, to the point, very punchy, and easy to follow. Right, so there will be a few upsells, and each of the upsells will be a complete training course on its own about something else. If there is something that catches your attention, all of the training courses are amazing. I've actually reviewed most of them, so go through the whole funnel and see what you find useful. Again, the prices are ridiculously low, especially during the launch. So, if you do decide to purchase any of the upsells, it will be a wise decision. Trust me on that. Right, guys, so love you and leave you. Again, grab that free report of mine in the description box. Read through it. Oh, my bonuses. So my bonuses, this Lovable Made Simple. Lovable is an AI platform for building your websites with AI. Another way of creating websites. Google Goldmine method and this Lindy Lead Finder prompt is about finding leads. In case you are interested in working as a sort of like a freelancer or website master, right? And sell websites to businesses, you can by all means use Steve's method or even use this lovable AI platform that I talk about in this bonus and sell websites to clients. So I thought I would because this training course is so complete, it was tricky for me to find something that I would sort of like need to fill in the gaps, right? You know what I mean? I was like, okay, he really covered it from every single angle. So let me hit my potential buyers with a sort of like a different set of bonuses. And I thought these would be quite useful. Right, guys, so love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye-bye.